I, Purna Prasad Sharma,
having been elected as Vice Chairman to the Board of Directors
as Vice Chairman to the Board of Directors
of SICUN,
assume the charge, and I hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the bylaws of Sikkim State Cooperative Union and State Cooperative Society Act and rules as by laws established. That I will uphold cooperative principles, values and ethics through Sikkim State Cooperative Union, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.